Hello, welcome again to Fun with Nuts. So here's another problem. Square root of n plus square root of m minus 11 equals 11. M is what? So here's the solution. First is, let's write the version. Square root of m plus square root of m minus 11 equals 11. And then we are going to square both sides here, squared. So it will look like an identity a plus b all squared. Or that is also equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So this identity, we are going to apply this here since it looks like an identity like this. So that is square root of m per square plus 2 times square root of n times square root of m minus 11 plus square root of n minus 11 square equals 11 squared. That is also equal to 121. And then next is, for this square root of m squared, the square root will be cancelled and the squared also. So that is m plus 2 times square root of n times square root of m minus 11. That is equal to 2 square root of n times square root of n minus 11. That's it. And then cos square root of n minus 11 all to square. The square root will be cancelled and the squared plus the cancel. So we have plus m minus 11 equals 121. And then this m and this another m, we can add that to. And that is 2m plus 2 square root of m times square root of m minus 11, that is equal to m squared. We multiply and then minus 11m. Here for negative 11, we can take that into the other side, and that is equals 121 from negative 11, that is plus 11. So we add 2m plus 2 square root of m squared minus 11n is equal to 121 plus 11. And then that is 2m plus 2 square root of m squared minus 11m equals 121 plus 11, that is equal to 132. And then for this, let's factor it in terms of common. So the common here is 2. So we write 2 times 2m divided by 2, that is n. And then 2 divided by 2, that is 1. We can write it to 1 or as is. We have n plus, just copy, 10 squared minus 11m equals 132. And the next is we can divide both sides by 2. So this will be cancelled. So we have remaining m plus square root of 10 squared minus 11m equals 132 divided by 2, that is equal to 66. And then this m, we can take that into the other side. So we have square root of m squared minus 11n equals 66 minus n. And then for this, we can square both sides to cancel this radical side. So that is squared wasn't here squared. So now this will be cancelled. So we have m squared minus 11m equals 66 minus n whole squared. This looks like an identity, which is 66 is our A and F is our V. So this is equal to 66 squared minus 2 times 66 times n plus n squared. And then that is m squared minus 11n equals 66 squared minus 2 times 66 times m, that is equal to 132 m plus squared. And then for this, we can say m squared to the other side. So that is negative 11n equals 66 squared minus 132 m plus m squared minus m squared. So that is negative 11m equals 66 squared minus 132 n, because this will be Prenzel. And then this negative 132m, we can see it back into the other side. And like this, negative 11m. From negative, this will be positive or plus 132 and equals 66 squared. So negative 11m plus 132m, the different sign. So means this would be subtracted. Then that is equal to 121 10. Because 66 squared, when that is 66 times 66, that is equal to 4,346. And then let's divide both sides by 121. This will be cancelled. So we have n is equal to 4,356 divided by 121, that is equal to 36. Therefore, our m is equal to 36. That's all for today. For more videos, subscribe to Fun with Lots.